guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Owuna. If it's your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to do a soft glam like this, beginner friendly. This is the kind of makeup you can wear every day. You can take it to work, you can use it to hang out with friends, and so on. You want to apply your foundation immediately after your skin prep. So right now, I'll just use my foundation brush and blend the foundation into my skin. After that is done, you want to go in with your concealer. Now to highlight your face, you're going to apply your concealer under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, your forehead, under your nose, and your chin. Once that is done, you want to blend it into your skin. Blend all the areas that you just applied concealer. Now to set all those places we just highlighted, I'm going to set my face with my pressed powder. When you're doing this, don't rub, just tap the product on your face. Once that is done, we're going to contour our face. I'm using this contour palette from Classic Makeup. As you can see, we're just going with a light shade just to define the nose. We're not doing anything bold, just a soft glam. And after that, I'm going to contour my cheekbones. Now you want to move your brush in circular motion.
I'll just use this eye pencil to shade my eyebrows. I'm not doing anything special, just want to shade it and make it look natural. My eyebrows are not even carved in the first place, so we're just going to work it out like that.
At this point, I think I'll just leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. this is basically what the finished look looks like, right? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, Mwah. Bye.